Hey folks, Greg Burke here with the Northern California Ghostbusters, and today, just a little bit of a channel update. So for those of you who don't know how Chris and I make these things, we shoot every Sunday, just about every Sunday of the month, and then Monday through Thursday after work, I edit everything and then get it up to you folks by Friday at the latest, so you have weekly content to enjoy. Well, going into fall, starting late August to September, I am getting slammed at my work. Not so much in terms of workload, but traveling. I'm traveling all over the place in September. I'm in Seattle, then Dallas. At the end of September, I'm in Tokyo. And that goes into October. In October, we have a lot of Ghostbuster events during that month. So the weekends, Chris and I will probably be out and about, which I'll do some like short videos on that stuff. But in terms of getting content up every week, I think there's going to be a bit of a low for the channel for the next month. That doesn't mean we're not filming. That doesn't mean we don't have stuff like ready to go. Like we're currently in the middle of drilling and sanding the pack, getting it ready for paint, and that will lead into assembly, which will lead into electronics. Then we have the whole wand segment, and that's not to mention the stuff that we're talking about doing now. We're talking about working with Danny Redmond and his deluxe trap kit. We're going to do a how-to install video on that. GP Star, of course, just announced their brand new kit. We're going to be talking to them too for Chris's Frozen Empire build, which we're also filming. And of course, there may be like a review here or there for some oddball mod part for the trap or apparel or something like that. Keep an eye out for the Magnolia stuff. I'm really looking forward to that. Just wanted to give you guys a little update that it's going to be a bit of a slow burn on the channel the next couple months, just because work is very busy for me at this time. There's a lot of traveling. I don't have really time to edit after a long day of event shooting. And then when I come back from events, I'm slammed with footage until the wee hours of the night. But I wanted to give you guys a heads up. I really appreciate all the views and support and the positive comments on the channel in general. And we're not done. Trust me, Chris and I are not done. We're even thinking in terms of like next year, things we're doing, batting around with different part makers and different projects and different series we can do to show you guys how to build that stuff. So is there anything else I need to say? Oh, as a fun thing, I'm working really hard to try to restore some of the real Ghostbusters music. You guys have heard it in our videos before. There's some other tracks that I really want to get cleaned up. I've done it a little bit. I'll play some behind my music here, but it takes a little bit of an effort going into the things, separating out the files and trying to essentially stitch together clean parts of the audio with unclean parts of the audio, because the sound effects and the music are mixed in. I get rid of the VO easily enough, but so that's something I'm doing too in my personal time. That's it. So just a quick little channel update for people who come here and get their information here. I know people are in different groups around Facebook, Discord, stuff like that, but it'll be a little slow, but trust me, Chris and I are not slowing down in terms of content and ideas and series. So there'll be lots more on the table. Just bear with us this next month. If you want to see what I'm doing, you can go to the youtube.com/@shacknews. That's where most of my time is dedicated to. It's my day job. I had a video there, so you can see all the stuff I'm doing in Japan and Seattle and Dallas and stuff like that. Until next time, recruits, I'm Greg Burke with the Northern California Ghostbusters, and we'll see you later.
I gotta get some sleep. I'm dying.